Let's talk about fractions. Here's our circle. We will divide it into 5 parts. If we fill in one of 5 parts of the circle, we can describe that as a fraction, 1 over 5, which means 1 of 5 parts. So this fraction 1 over 5 is called 1/5. Let's take our circle and divide it into 6 parts. If we fill in one of 6 parts of the circle, we can describe that as a fraction 1 over 6, which means 1 of 6 parts. Here's the fraction 1 over 6, and we call this 1/6. Notice 1/6 is half of 1/3. If we take 1/3 and divide it by 2, we end up with 1/6. If we take 1/3 and multiply it by 1/2, we get 1/6. Because fractions are a form of division, multiplication and division of fractions is rather simple and closely related. So because 1/6 is half of 1/3, if we take 1/6 and add 1/6, we get 2/6, which is the same thing as 1/3. If we take 2/6 and add 1/6, then we get 3/6, which is the same thing as 1/2. So let's take our 3/6 and add 1/6. Now we have 4/6. And notice 4/6 is the same thing as 2/3. So if we take our 4/6 and add 1/6, then we have 5/6. If we take 5/6 and add 1/6, then we have 6 over 6. And 6 over 6 is equal to 1.